Before operation, mirrors should be adjusted on the outside of the cab, maximizing rearward visibility for the operator. Before production loading starts, the operator should set the loader kickouts on the soft keypad in the cab. The linkage should be positioned before pressing the kickout button. Shown here, the operator is setting the lower kickout. This stops the bucket before contact is made with the floor. The upper kickout should also be set to provide only the required amount of dump clearance needed for loading the truck. Excessive lifting is not efficient. The return to dig kickout should also be set to ensure the bucket edge returns to a level position. This can be done by placing the bucket on the ground in a level position. Always maintain a smooth work floor with good drainage. Keep loose rocks off the floor. Wet rocks cut tires easier. Develop smooth movements. Keep bucket heel slightly raised. Avoid tire spin by using the left pedal ICTC. Use a tight V pattern for truck loading. Spot the trucks on the driver's side. Spot trucks with a loaded bucket. Blow horn to stop trucks when spotting and when truck is loaded. In coarse material, pad the truck body. Place the load. Don't throw the load into the truck bed. Place the load in the center of the truck bed. Keep hoist height to a minimum for efficiencies in loading and to minimize truck wear to the truck bed. Avoid excessive bucket heel plate wear. Use proper technique for setting adjustable bucket kickout. When digging, raise the bucket to provide heel clearance before crowding. This allows the operator to properly set the tires. The left pedal controls the impeller clutch and brakes. Depressing the left pedal reduces torque to the wheels. When all three lights are illuminated, max rim pull, on the keypad, the pedal varies rim pull from 100% to roughly 20%. As you turn the lights out on the keypad, rim pull is reduced from 90 to 80 to 70% by default. These settings are adjustable in the touchscreen. When the pedal is depressed about halfway, the brake begins to apply. If you choose to throttle lock the machine, always run in economy mode. This will reduce fuel consumption by up to 20%. Engine speed is controlled with left pedal and implement pod. This feature provides the efficiency of manual throttle and the ergonomics of throttle lock. Position loader 1 to 1.5 wheel revolutions from face to truck. Enter pile straight. Keep frame straight when digging. Avoid digging articulated. Transmission in first gear when digging. This provides balanced ground, hydraulic speed. Use a tight V pattern. Spot trucks at 45 degrees. Work face 1.5 to 2 buckets wide. Minimize truck maneuvering when loaded and wait time. Clean floor between trucks. Keep rear truck tires off pile. Keep loose rocks off the floor. Create a pocket to place the truck. The pocket should be no deeper than the distance from the bucket teeth to front tires. Keep a straight frame when digging. Articulate at truck. Use right front tire as a guide when spotting truck. Work the face 1.5 to 2 buckets wide. Center the load in the truck body. Payload placement is critical when loading trucks. Materials should be centered on the truck front to back and side to side. This will provide the most accurate payload reading on the truck. When payload is shifted off center, excessive weight will be on the brakes, bearings, tires, steering components, hydraulic hoist, and canopy. Material will also be more prone to haul road spillage. In this video, you can clearly see the correct way to center the load front to back and side to side. Take notice that the operator is placing each bucket load in the correct order. Loading the center of the truck first, followed by the far side, and last, the closest half of the truck body. This results in more efficient loading and less pushing by the loader operator. Maintain optimum bucket height when carrying material and a safe speed for machine operation. Keep good load retention without spillage. Use ride control, if equipped, to help stabilize the machine while carrying material. Turn auto shift on and select mode 2 so the loader will start out in second gear after making your directional change. Also set the max gear in auto shift. This will eliminate manual shifting for the operator and increase efficiency of the loader. Disable second gear lockup when the carry distance allows for third and fourth gear travel. Adjust kickouts when necessary. Avoid over-hoisting when loading at lower heights. Articulated digging and corner loading. This will apply excessive load on the frames and hitch assembly, causing cracking or bearing failure. Wait time with an elevated bucket. This should be reduced for best practices in site safety. Never exit the cab with an elevated bucket. To ensure operator safety, all implements should be lowered and ground engaged before exiting the cab. Truck loading V pattern. Position loader 1 to 1.5 wheel revolutions from face to truck. Enter pile straight. Keep frame straight when digging. Avoid digging articulated. Transmission in first gear when digging. This provides balanced ground hydraulic speed. Use a tight V pattern. Spot trucks at 45 degrees. Work face 1.5 to 2 buckets wide. Minimize truck maneuvering when loaded and wait time. Clean floor between trucks. Keep rear truck tires off pile. Keep loose rocks off the floor.